Zincpot is a hot dip galvanizing plant, which is the only one of its kind in the Scandinavian and Baltic regions. We understand how important it is to protect the surrounding nature and preserve a healthy environment for future generations. This is why we've built a factory which uses the best available technology. This allows us to save energy and natural resources during the galvanizing process, with minimal impact on the environment. The steel elements which arrive in Zincpot are loaded off the trucks with cranes, which also weigh the metal elements. Upon their arrival, our clients' unprocessed steel elements are vulnerable to corrosion. Every 90 seconds, 1 ton of steel rusts on our planet. Every second ton of steel is manufactured to substitute for the previously corroded one. After the galvanizing process, the steel is maintenance-free for up to 100 years. After checking the suitability of the products, the Zincpot employees hang the steel details on the frame. In the hanging terminal, the weight of the metal is checked before and after galvanizing. Once the operator chooses the proper processing program, the rest of the process is automatic. The distribution crane picks up the frame equipped with the raw metal. It also brings an empty frame onto which new elements can be hung. In the Zincpot factory, the movement of the metal elements is entirely automatic. The computer chooses the best possible timing and route according to the specifics of the given material. Automatic transportation devices with lifting capacity of 6.4 tons move the material through the process. The transportation device takes the metal into the chemical processing room. Here, the metal is treated with various chemicals to prepare its surface for the galvanizing process. In the fully automatic chemical department, human labor is not needed. This separated area is kept under lower air pressure, and the air scrubber makes sure that the hazardous acid fumes do not get into the outside environment. The polluted air is sucked into the scrubber, which cleans the air of the acid particles. Since the chemical processing is based on a closed-circle principle, no technological drainage is created in the process. There is no connection to the local sewer system. The transport devices move outside of the chemically aggressive environment and are therefore protected from the acid fumes. After the chemical pretreatment, the frame with the steel elements moves into the dryer. Here, the metal details are dried and heated to a temperature suitable for galvanizing. At the heart of the Zincpot factory is the zinc kettle with dimensions 7 meters long, 1.5 meters wide, and 2.8 meters deep. It is filled with more than 200 tons of zinc, heated up to 460 degrees. The furnace is surrounded by a metal shell, which protects employees from dangerous fumes and hot zinc sprays. The smoke is collected into the zinc dust filter, preventing polluting gases from getting into the environment. The doors at both ends of the furnace open and close automatically according to the movement of the transportation devices. From the zinc furnace, the metal elements are moved into the tidying, sorting, and packing areas. Zincpot also offers the Zinc Plus passivation service. This creates the best conditions for subsequent painting of parts that underwent hot dip galvanizing, as it prevents oxidation of the zinc-coated surface. The zinc-coated parts thus retain their initial shiny ice-fern pattern appearance for many years. Zincpot employs 20 highly skilled workers, many of whom have acquired special training in Germany. Zincpot is situated in the logistically attractive town of Paldiski, which is surrounded by railways, a highway, and 2 ice-free harbors. This creates perfect conditions for Zincpot to be a competitive player in the Estonian metal industry and an exporter to the Scandinavian and Western European markets. With our partners, we offer the logistics service ZincLink. This is the effective packaging and transportation from one factory to another. In Zincpot, we have created a factory in which we ensure a constantly evolving quality of our service, nature-friendly production techniques, and a safe working environment for our employees. Zincpot's quality, environment, and working safety processes are certified according to the international ISO 9001, 14001, and OHSAS 18001 standards. By protecting steel, we create wealth and a cleaner environment. Zincpot.